Hello friends, welcome to Math Succeed Algebra 1 tutorial. In the last lesson you learned about rules of multiplication and division, and I talked about both positive and negative numbers except 0. In this lesson you are going to learn about special properties of 0. After completing the lesson you should be able to recognize these special properties in algebraic expressions. So you are going to learn about multiplicative properties of 0, division by 0, 0 divided by 0, and division of 0. Friends, I have already talked about this multiplicative property in one of the lessons for properties of multiplication. If you want to learn about these properties, click the link above and you can watch the video. The multiplicative property of 0 states that anything multiplied with 0 is 0. So I am going to use this property to prove all other properties of 0 in this video. So if a is a real number, then a multiplied by 0 is equal to 0 multiplied by a equal to 0. That is multiplicative property of 0. Division of 0 is a property of dividing any number a with 0 where a is not equal to 0. Suppose we try to divide a by 0, which is equal to c, where c is equal to some real number we don't know. Suppose a multiplicative property of 0 says that a is equal to 0 multiplied by c. Therefore, we assume that a is equal to 0. But we already defined a is not equal to 0, so there is a contradiction. Therefore, a divided by 0 is undefined as it does not give proper result. 0 divided by 0 is a special case. Suppose you are dividing a number a by the same number a, the result would be 1. Therefore, we assume that 0 divided by 0 is equal to 1. Now, if we multiply both sides by any number x, we get x multiplied by 0 divided by 0, which is equal to 1 multiplied by x, which is equal to x multiplied by 0 divided by 0 equals to x, which is equal to 0 divided by 0 equal to x. Now we already know that 0 divided by 0 is 1, so 1 equal to x, which is wrong. So 0 divided by 0 is indeterminate because we cannot determine the output of this expression, of this equation. Now let's talk about 0 getting divided by other numbers. Suppose 0 divided by a is equal to c, where c is a real number and a is a non-zero number. 0 equals to c multiplied by a by multiplicative property of 0. Since a is a non-zero, c must be 0 for this equation to be true. Therefore, 0 divided by a is equal to 0, where a is a non-zero real number. So let's summarize everything you learned in this lesson. Anything multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Any number divided by 0 is undefined. 0 divided by 0 itself is indeterminate, and 0 divided by any other number is equal to 0.